moment for Indian art, an iconic painting by Raja Ravi Varma has set a new world record at auction. His celebrated oil painting Yashoda and Krishna was sold for a staggering 167.20 crore rupees at the Saffronart Spring Live Auction, making it the most expensive Indian artwork ever sold at auction. The auction, held in Mumbai on April 1st, witnessed intense bidding for nearly 7 minutes. The painting, which came from a private collection in Delhi, had a pre-sale estimate of 80 to 120 crore rupees but eventually far exceeded expectations. The masterpiece was acquired by Cyrus S. Poonawalla, Managing Director of the Serum Institute of India. In a statement, Poonawalla described the painting as a national treasure and said he intends to preserve it and make it available for public viewing periodically. Previously, the record for the most expensive Indian artwork was held by M.F. Husain's 1954 painting, Untitled Yatra, which sold for 118 crore rupees at a Christie's auction in March 2025. Yashoda and Krishna depicts Yashoda milking a cow while infant Krishna stands behind her, painting in Ravi Varma's signature realistic style using the chiaroscuro technique, highlighting dramatic contrasts of light and shadow. According to writer and collector Ganesh V. Shivaswamy, the painting captures a moment from the 10th book of the Srimad Bhagavatam, portraying infant Krishna approaching Yashoda for milk. Commenting on the landmark sale, Minal Wazirani, president and co-founder of Saffronart, said, "The record-breaking sale reflects the timeless cultural and emotional values of Indian art and marks a milestone for the global art market." Experts believe the record-breaking sale signals strong demand, growing scholarship, and rising confidence in Indian art as a serious financial asset beyond its aesthetic value. This historic auction not only cements Raja Ravi Varma's legacy but also marks a new chapter for the global recognition of Indian art.